Hello guys, back with another informational thing. So this is Anshul Yadav. So today we are going to talk about the world's best platform to contribute in anything, any open source software, any of the things you can contribute from here. That is Git and GitHub displayed on your screens. Basically, we are talking about the four most important factors of Git. That is Git language, GitHub, Gitnog, Git Lab, Git Pod. There are many things that Git is owning about the his software and many of the field, the community, the building of the Git has many the different platform which works upon different things. So you will be able to have your codes and your software be in a structured way so everyone can access and do contribution there. So basically, what is Git? If you haven't understand that what is Git, so I will be explaining about Git. That Git is an official language of GitHub. It will like that a person is doing the code in the C++ or Java like things. When you are using GitHub or Git platform, you have to code in Git because Git is the somewhere language the most sufficient, most proficient to the Git platforms, and it gives mainly the speed is more important in any of the type in any of the era of the society. So it gives into 2 or into 3x speed when you are running your the same program or your software on your PC or laptop wherever you are running that. So it is being for the speed measure. The performance is very amazing. You can see it in Git language, and many of the also perks availability, wide experience, work acceptance. Many of the things you can understand that Git is having the best in comparison to other softwares and other platforms. And Git is the only platform you can community in communities having the many of the options from the Git. You can contribute in the open source open world. You can know, you can build your network in with the help of GitHub and GitLab platforms. And there are several benefits of Git that is providing. That is firstly performance. I've told you that performance is extremely amazing in comparison of other softwares and many other things. And the flexibility type of thing, that it is very flexible. You can use anytime, anywhere. You can any person can access your code and do contribution there. And then type of security, even you are making account on GitHub and you have to opening the account again. Even you are the person can only access your account. No other person and another can access your account because GitHub has 3 or 4 security. When you're accessing your account, you are having a direct mail from GitHub. Then you are entering the code. When you are entering right code, it goes really automatic verifying. If you're not getting the codes after the 10 to 12 attempts, you will get an draft mail on your email that account the probability is not working, so you can change the password. The many of the flexibility and security is given by the Git to you as a working developer or a student or a software engineer. And also talking about the wide acceptance is somewhere the GitHub can accept anything what you are making. It is YouTube videos, your notes, your summaries, your softwares, your code. What is the thing you can put into the GitHub, and it is the very secure place. And you can check on my blog that I've made that Git is an amazing platform, marvelous things to contribute and store at a place. So basically talking about the Git organization, features of development, what the Gits do and how the Gits work. Firstly, the Git has a featured branch flow. One of the that you are writing a code, the code goes into the first software development database, then go to assemble their structured organized form. Then it's made several files, even that files saved from many places as your data can't lost from one place. You can retrieve a data from many places. Distributed development, every task has been distributed in the several pages. If you have to do the practical sort of things, you can go to the GitLab and run type your code. If you want to access or type of things, you can store the code. If you want that type of thing, you can go to the GitHub. If you want to that how to passionate or communicate your skills, you can use Git. And about the pull request is like you can do the many of the some the big developers having the Git and GitHub account official then that were to contribute in the open source communities. So you can pull requests from there, just do open source work and contribute there upon the things that Git is a best platform to contribute in a communities open source. By Git you can have a very amazing chance to join the several committees at the top level of the world which are working, and many organizations having their contents of Git. You can access there, you can do modification, do open source work there, and you can get access to be the part of that community or that organization. That the Git is really fascinating about me, about this technology. So secondly, talking about what is GitHub. GitHub is a platform. You can see that I have mentioned that internet hosting for software development, version control using Git. It offers a distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git, pulls down its own features. That is the GitHub having. If you wanted to contribute any of the things, it helps in the software development, version control using the Git. As Git is, I have explained earlier, is the official language of GitHub. You can store code here, you can do some community work and open source type of things here, and upon you can contribute its amazing features and own developing things. Then you again submit the pull request there. Due to that, communities will accept you and you will having great exposure due to Git and GitHub type of things. Let's talk about the features of GitHub. The benefits what the GitHub is providing to contribute on open source, that I am reminding again and again, that the world's biggest platform and only platform to contribute in open source. None other platform will provide you all of the things that GitHub is providing, because the GitHub is an open source platform designed to do communication, contribution, many of the things that GitHub is providing to things. Documentation, when you are storing your document, is in the very structured format that you will be having. It will be not like the mess up type of thing, the one file gone there, one file gone here, you have to make merging that file. If you submitted a file, it will automatically merge that file in that way, that how the all alphabetic order you want detailing order. You can put that order where we can see in a demonstration. I will be doing demonstration of that. You can track the changes, if the who person have pulled the request, who person is contributing. You can having the track changes, and how your software or your code or your code can the improvise, or you can be changed from the other person by integration. If you feel that change is necessary, you can take this request and do as the public, then the pull request has been approved. And it is also, you can say, the best integration option. If we are saying the study of integrated environment, often we are saying that the study being an integrated nowadays due to COVID-19, so it brings a lot of exposure to students and the developers to being a study in integrated environment, to learn more and more from the other developers, senior engineers that were doing the great in the field, and they can guide with the help of the Git and GitHub and many of the things they were having that GitHub is providing. If GitHub is not be there, so the world is not going to be smoother than it is going. Okay, then we are talking about Git Pod. Git Pod, you can say, it is launching workspace in second. It remove a long time of you can say it is basically removing the time complexity of the codes and your software programs. And while going to the on this platform, everybody used to collaborate and put their project to start upon coding and debugging immediately, and any of the Git content at any time from any device you can access from Git Pod. That is the amazing quality that Git Pod is giving, and none other things, no other any environment, no other any software is giving this type of things. Your community came on one place, then start coding, then they do debugging one by one. Debugging takes a lot of time, but Git Pods is faster than all of the softwares. It will like the nanoseconds, it will give results immediately. And you can also, the best feature of Git Pod is that you can access content anywhere, anytime. Anyone can access your content with your permission and with accessibility. And what is the GitLab? GitLab is an platform which it is providing significant advantage of GitLab. It is available for free and easy to manage and configure. If it is enable only a limited number of private repositories, integrated for the several APIs and third-party servers, consumes only reliable uptime. The code reviews and pull up requests made it more compact and user friendly. That's why what is saying the GitLab is, you can say, where you are doing the labs or the particular thing they're having the limited access, even the you are accessing or your members who are accessing, that is like the practical labs. It is also like online practical lab, you can consider. If you're having the permission to enter it, only the person having access, that person is going to provide, that person is going to have a practicals and several types of things what he wanted to do here. As a practical, we can say the debugging of code, many of the uptime reliable work to integrated of servers API, private repository was going to submit it there. It going to give an amazing example of the security basis. Security has been amazing, anyone can't access the things what you are having. So that is the amazing feature of GitLab that is having, and all the best feature that is user friendly and a compact that made to request, and you can access the things. If the person accepted your request, you can go to this particular person GitLab and you can work upon there. You can enjoy amazing projects and contribution upon open source, many of the things that was there that you can be contributing from the GitLab things. So basically how the all Git works. So we are going to do a demonstration. I will show you the how you can do pull request, how you have to go and go the things in that manner. So there's everything we can do here. So we can do a certain type of things and take the things as several step by step way and understand how we can use Git and GitHub platform. So basically we are going to the Google, and here I am typing that GitHub. So basically I'm having the GitHub account as my official account, so I'm going on my that account. So I'm going to here, I will click on my sign out feature. So basically you can see that is a GitHub website. If you are not seeing that and you don't go anywhere upon this website, because this is the original website, or you can do sign up and sign in here from this feature. If you are going to be sign up, so I am having my account, so I can sign up here, or always I have verified my entered email. So basically how you can do sign up here, you can sign up in Git. Okay, thus I am going to I have my personal account, so I am going to sign in. Okay, that is my personal account and password that I am going to sign in from here. And it will give that it is a nice thing. You can see here, you can give an introduction how you are thinking, that is how I am interested in this type of thing, how we are going to do research. And there is a button you can explore the GitHub, watch the stars, what are the things there, how I can which are the trendy blogs and items is there, which one person is going to having the maximum things. So these are the topics. Simply you can go there and access the things. Okay, so basically first we are coming upon this thing. So first we are going to add going to learn that how we can add a repository. So where you can, so you can come with a new repository. Okay, that you can type a repository name, description, that public or private you want. That if you want to private, so it will give a private. If you want to add the readme file, you can check here and create the repo and choose a license. If it be going to license one, the license has been done with the MIT license. That is the you can say formal license of the GitHub and Git code. So that why it means the MIT license. So and so if you are going to done that license, the person is going to access, any person is going to access your code with your permission only. That was being a license here. So these are the things you can create your repository here. If you want to put the several things, you can say the new Git is a new organization, you start a new project here. In project you can create, start name a project, description, templates. You can search the repository or name you are having. You can link the other repository which your friend or even another people is having. You can build a community here and do the project. So these were the several things you can do here. And you can explore the GitHub from this thing. You can use Gist. What is Gist? And Gist is a platform that on authorized application having extension and spacing. You can add file, and there you can get the secret keys. So these are the simple type of thing you can do here by using the Git. I hope that you can understand from this thing that you are having the free 2000 automatic minute, that all the things team having, all the things is being displayed here. How you can go to the thing, you can, how you can access the thing. Just go to a Git website, make an account, and then you can having the amazing exploration of things. So basically these are all the things what can I tell you about the GitHub. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. And last, keep hustling, keep doing, and do more and more contribution in GitHub. Thanks for your contribution.